Happy Saturday. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Lifted van meet update, meetup spots, and the dates. You don't have to have a lifted van to join us. You don't even have to have a van to join us. There's going to be plenty of non-vans at this meet. So the official meet date is Saturday, November 2nd into Sunday, November 3rd. I'm headed out Friday the 1st, and I will be here on the 1st, Friday night. Same Flying J as last year. Here's the address. It has two addresses, but this is the exact same Flying J as last year. So if you're able to make it out here Friday night, we're going to be neighbors at a truck stop. So we're going to do some truck stop camping. I know a couple of you are going to convoy out together to this Flying J, so that's going to be pretty cool that there's going to be a mini convoy headed out to the lifted van meet. It's going to be the same exact Flying J from last year. I'll pin this video at the end card, at the end of this video. If you're driving out Saturday morning, this is the meetup spot for Saturday, 2 p.m. So we will wait for you guys here at the Mirage Gas Co. And this is 30 minutes away from camp, so we're gonna go camping. So if you meet me on Friday night, truck stop camping, and if you head out Saturday, we're gonna go desert camping in our rigs, our tent, whatever you guys bring with you. I did a live stream last Sunday and 293 of you watched it, and it picked up 2 new subscribers. Here's more stats right here. We had 18 people at the live stream at one point. Shout out to everyone that showed up at Sunday's live stream. Lots of new faces in the comments. We got Jill, Ladder Ryan, Dana Wade and Rambo. We got Hector here. He has a Camberg lifted van. Enya is Mark. Let's go ahead and find everyone who showed up at this last live stream. There's Overland Adventure Vanimal. I've been talking to this guy on YouTube for 4 years now. I hope you make it out in November, man. And then we got Suicidal Hustlers here. He has a Dodge van. Hope you make it out, man. I love hearing from you guys who have been watching the channel and stopping by for the very first time. There's Campos and Veteran Traveler. Veteran Traveler, I hope you make it out from Victorville. Maybe you could convoy down with the other Northern California guys. Campos, he's one of the reasons why these lifted van meets are so great. One of the appeals of a meet is that there's a lot of people with you, and you got some knowledgeable people in this group. Campos is one of them, so there's that safety of having someone knowledgeable about vehicles. Campos made these wide body fenders, and he gave these to me. So not only is Campos mechanically inclined, he knows how to work with fiberglass. So my brother-in-law's brother, I hope he makes it to this lifted van meet. He's into camping. He has a Nissan Frontier. He goes to campgrounds with his family, and he wants to try freestyle camping. So I'm looking forward to camping with people like that who have never done it before. I love seeing people happy, having a good time. So there's the Ryan ladder right here. And there's Katrina right there. Always nice to hear from Katrina. Really appreciate your support. There's Sebastian's Life 91. When new people show up on a live stream or the comment section, I always ask them, what's the story on your van build? So Richard has a 03 7.3 diesel. Looking forward to meeting everyone. It's gonna be fun. The Mad Engineer, he's headed down with Sebastian, and Jill and Ryan are headed down together with a couple other people. I believe all these guys might head down together, so they're going to have themselves a convoy headed to Brawley, the Flying J near Slab City. So the Flying J I'm sleeping at, it's only 30 minutes from Slab City. Chico in the van. Subscribe to his channel along with Overland Adventure Vanimal. 2 people I've been talking to about 4 years now, so Chico, man, I hope you make it out to this meet. Cabby, another new face in the comment. He's looking to buy a van. That's what I like to hear. Vampire Lifestyle, another Dodge van enthusiast checking in. I hope you make the meet, man. That's your birthday weekend. The Mr. Jet Doc, another new face in the comment, hoping to do a 4x4 conversion one day. Rick from Canada. I'm gonna make a video out of that comment, man. We have a express van enthusiast checking in. Before the stream ended, Gen X Van Life checked in. 4x4 AJ's van right there. AJ's van 4x4 conversion. Great live stream. If you guys want me to live stream more, let me know.